I mean, we kind of have to climb up first. You got this, dude. You gotta follow me in.
No.
Come on.
No, dude.
You're the only one who didn't hit it?
Yeah.
Just roll in slow and
Nice.
yeah, dude. He's clipped in. He's just committed. Like, if he's gonna ride the trail, he's gonna have to just hit everything. It's kind of crazy.
I went offline. I went to the left.
Huge tumbleweed.
Yeah. All running. How big is it?
Woo!
He's trying to make it in. Did you hit it?
Yeah, just now.
Oh, damn it. No, he's like a steep though. From what I remember.
I think so, yeah. Got sideways on that berm, huh? Yeah. I got it on GoPro.
Oh, you haven't? Where's your GoPro? Oh, it's on your chest.
A little bit.
Yeah, you're good. Fuck, let me see your face. Dude, your face smacked against the ground.
Really?
Yeah.
Is his teeth okay? Yeah, I lost my teeth like that.
You good?
Yeah.
Dude, you guys
Too
are
much sauce, huh?
crazy.
Oh, he lost the pedal.
I didn't know what was going on.
Holy
That was
fuck!
so gnarly.
Dude, his pedal's broken, yeah!
Plastic pedal? Yeah. Where's the rest of it?
Matt got it. Yeah, I'm chilling.
Dude, that was gnarly.
Wow.
Down there, his whole body went face smacked against the dirt.
Yeah,
dude.
look what you're making people do.